talk about memjet technology and how printers can generate new revenue and profit opportunities. Now I want to start talking about how do you generate revenue and profit with memjet. And having been involved with memjet technology for several years, I will say that it's probably still the predominant question that we receive as an OEM partner. This printer's great, it's wonderful, it's very fast. What are the applications and how do I make money with this device relative to other competitive devices that I may choose? So I wanted to spend time highlighting case studies. These are all clients of RTI that have installed printers and are using them to effectively generate new revenue and profit streams from the technology. And I felt that rather than us talking about our view, we'll just share highlights from how these companies are using the devices. Cardworks, as I mentioned before, a small provider in south of London of retail point-of-purchase displays. So their challenge as a small point-of-purchase provider was, how do we grow the business and how do we compete more effectively by using the existing resources and expertise that we have and not farm that out to another third party or another trade printing organization. And so their requirement was find a solution that allows them to generate more revenue per hour within an existing infrastructure. What they were taking days to complete on the UV flatbed, they now do in minutes because it's 1,000 square meter per hour print speed rather than 2 square meter per hour print speed. And now they've realized a 50% savings in the overall workflow through a combination of reduction in some media, reduction in outsourcing, and reduction in labor. The bottom line for them, they now are winning new jobs and competing with larger organizations that they couldn't formally compete with. Rapid Digital Press, they work with a primary customer called Landis+Core. Landis+Core does demographic mapping, aerial mapping. Essentially, it's definitely not CAD, it's a full graphic print. And they do wall posters, wall murals, various real estate mapping applications and so forth. And so their challenge was to help an aerial map client respond to more on-demand requests while reducing time and cost. After memjet, jobs of 10 to 50 are now taking minutes rather than hours. Low cost of entry, especially compared to buying another press or a Cytex device or something like that. Very low cost of entry with the memjet devices, really any of them, ours included. Same day delivery, same day turnaround, they didn't have to outsource anymore. And in their case, they're getting a 30% overall savings in their workflow process with same day turnaround, and they're getting the quality and the durability that they were achieving prior to with the offset press. Point of sale company in the USA. This is a very interesting company in the Northeast. They do supermarket signage. So everything from both the hard signage to the daily and weekly specials. Meat's on sale for $4.99 a pound, and they do these as window signage for daily traffic. And they were not finding the capability to meet their customers' requirements for rapid turnaround. This customer, interestingly enough, they're generating $3,000 profit a day. So this is fairly good coverage prints with a total cost of 22 cents a square, including the media. And they're generating $3 grand in profit in those 2.5 days each day from the memjet. Maritime Map Printer in the UK. This is a global provider of maritime maps with a requirement for fairly good UV resistance and fairly high sort of water resistance. Their challenge, in addition to eliminating wastage from make-readies, etc., was I want a device that's durable and I want output quality that's durable. And at first glance, water-based ink and durability for outdoor salt water applications with some UV resistance didn't seem possible. But through the combination of the unique inks that memjet deliver with appropriate media science on the substrate, we've been able to deliver that They were using a traditional press to do 64 million square feet a year. They're moving about 10.5 million square feet of that off the traditional press onto a memjet device. So it's been a tremendous savings for them, allowing them to grow with the dynamic changes in the marketplace. So how did they generate, these four companies, how did they generate new revenues and profits? Essentially, they all found the common ingredient, and that's they understood the value proposition and they were willing to test the boundaries of application set, not being lost in the fact that it's water-based, etc. But they saw that speed equals productivity. They took an early adoption mindset, embraced applications, and they used it to generate within existing infrastructures time to do more of what they're doing and to create productivity to allow them to respond to changing customer requirements. And I think we all face that. Our customer requirements are getting more specific. They want shorter things, they want it faster, they want instant turnaround times, and that's the value of memjet technology, and where single pass print technology is giving a tremendous advantage in the marketplace. Bottom line, speed created money for each of these clients, and we believe through the combination of software capability, print engines with memjet technology, and advancements in the substrate coating technologies, the application set for memjet technologies is getting wider and wider every day.